Welcome, wrestling fans. It is Wrestling Revolution. Keaton here. Today's match is the newest addition to NXG Wrestling, Sage Valentine versus the king of the bird flock, the Canary Kid. Oh my goodness, are there no pages in his house? It looks like his kids have drawn over him.
Canary! Still succeeds. And he succeeds. Come on, Canary!
There's a big storyline happening between the Canary Kid and Sage Valentine. Canary Kid giving it off to DD Crooks, and the lockup happens. Sage Valentine completely overpowers the Canary Kid and throws the Canary Kid into the turnbuckle. Canary Kid is shocked by Sage Valentine's power. Sage Valentine slapping his head like an animal. Sage Valentine, known as one of DD's disciples, he's been brought on by DD Crooks, and DD Crooks as his mentor. What a great mentor to have, and what a filthy mentor to have as well. And he drags the Canary Kid down. This is pure dominance, but will Canary fight back, I wonder?
You succeed.
Sage Valentine looking like, is that all you got? I think the Canary Kid can bring more. The Canary Kid is going to have to do some fast moves to get out of this. The Canary Kid changes it into a hammerlock. Touching on the nose. Full Nelson and a snap mirror. Big kick to the back. That would definitely hurt. And another kick to the back. This is so enjoying seeing Valentine getting hurt. And he takes down Sage Valentine. Canary Kid dusting his hands. It's easy work for the Canary Kid now that he's oversped Sage Valentine. But Sage Valentine still getting back up, and he's trying to chokeslam the Canary Kid. Attempted for a chokeslam. Canary Kid got out of it. And a double drop kick to the back. How amazing. The Canary Kid looks like he's trying to do the bird. Oh. Canary Kid doing his famous trend to the bird. Say it with me. B-I-R-D, bird. But Sage Valentine ruins the bird and does a big clothesline. Sage Valentine getting interactive with the fans, telling fans to shut up. 1 and a kick out at 2 by the Canary Kid. Canary Kid retreating into the turnbuckle. Very nasty place to be now that DD Crooks is on the outside. Big chop by Sage Valentine. Another chop by Sage Valentine.
Let's go, Canary!
Sage Valentine is knocking down the Canary Kid, but we know the Canary Kid can get back up. Throws the Canary Kid into the turnbuckle, and a big knee by Sage Valentine. The Canary Kid nearly falls, and he throws the Canary Kid over his shoulder.
Every day is Valentine's Day, folks.
1, 2, kick out at 2 by the Canary Kid. We know by the Canary Kid that he can kick out of anything before. He's kicked out of John McCann's best moves, and he can kick out of Sage Valentine's best moves. Sage Valentine goes for the suplex, and he suplexes Canary. Does a twist of his own. 1, 2, Canary Kid kicked out at 2. The Canary Kid is so fightful. He'll fight for his prize to win the championship, and he's proven this over and over again. Canary Kid with a big boot. Sage Valentine sends it again, and he does another big boot. Canary Kid tried to do the crossbody, but Sage Valentine catches him in midair, and he does the deep 6. 1, 2, kick out by Canary. Sage Valentine's so stressed right now. DD Crook's on ringside, and Ian has sent him down. Sage Valentine is getting angry from the fans. He's screaming at the fans. He's so angry. The Canary Kid kicked out of that. DD Crook slaps him and tells him to get back into the ring. That's what a true mentor does. Canary Kid, 1, 2, went for a sneaky roll up, but Sage Valentine kicks out of 2. Clothesline back Canary. Another clothesline back Canary. Oh, and Canary Kid twists Sage Valentine round. This is Canary Kid's house, and he's showing it. It's his house. Canary Kid going up for the sweet chin music, stomping his foot for the sweet chin music. Canary Kid trying to go for the sweet chin music. Sage Valentine caught him, and Canary Kid still lands the sweet chin music. Shawn Michaels style. He's dusting his hands. 1, 2, kick out by Sage Valentine. DD Crooks drags Ian from underneath the ring. Ian and DD Crooks are having a fight, and Ian, the referee, bars DD Crooks from ringside. DD Crooks is barred. Sage Valentine is getting angry. He's getting angry with referee Ian. He pushes Ian, but not by Canary Kid 10 for the Canary Cutter. 1, 2, 3, Canary Kid has taken the win. That was from Sage Valentine. Hi. The Canary Kid does it. Well done, Canary, and what a win. Sage Valentine put up a good match, but you never faced a bird and get away with it. DD Crooks with a filthy attack on the Canary Kid. Him and Sage are both attacking him on a 2-on-1. Canary Kid is hopeless right now. This is just filthy. But no wonder DD Crooks is called Pure Filth. No wonder this alliance is called Pure Filth. Oh, big slap to DD Crooks. And another slap to Sage Valentine. But the 2-on-1 advantage has brought the Canary Kid to his feet. DD Crooks and Sage Valentine being so filthy right now, unleashing it on the Canary Kid. Sage Valentine looking like they're going for their favourite move. DD Crooks going up top. No! And Ted Ferguson just came out. And Pure Filth retreat. DD Crooks, the leader, is telling Sage Valentine to retreat. Both of them looking to have so much anxiety on their face. They look so scared to be in the ring with Ted Ferguson. Ted Ferguson, no wonder they're scared to be in the ring with Ted Ferguson. Ted Ferguson is dangerous. and Dangerous Man.
Go on, big turd!
Go on, a big hard turd!
I just want to say thank you, my friend. That was some good shit. No, wait, no, I'm not joking. There was no pun intended, okay? I don't give a crap about puns. No! I'm not trying to do this, okay? But listen here, pure filth. Diddy Chris, you there with your belly top like your Ariana Grande. Next thing you know, his tattoo artist is going to be run down the ponytail. But this is a deja vu to me. Because about a year ago today, that you and a certain entertainer that ran away decided to interrupt me on what happened. Next time I put you in the ground.
It's not gonna happen again! It's not gonna happen again!
But I assure you that it will happen again, because in the main event tonight, it'll be pure filth against
Canary turd!
And it turns out that Turd Ferguson and Canary Kid Bird Poo face up against Pure Filth. Stay tuned for that match. This will be an amazing match, hopefully. Bird Poo will get their revenge on Pure Filth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hopefully, I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. And a shout out to Meadow.